Today, we're going to build a Republic Consular-Class cruiser using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I'm going to start with this 1x3 plate piece, and on that center stud of my 1x3 plate piece, I'm going to grab a 1x1 brick with side stud, with one side stud. And what I want to do is I want to put that brick onto the center stud so that the side stud is facing up, and that's going to be the top of my cruiser. And on that top stud, I'm going to get a round light bluish gray tile piece and just put it right there on that side stud, which is now the top of our ship. And now the next thing we do is we're going to create those big engines in the back. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 3 1x1 round plate pieces and just put them all along the back to simulate those 3 large engines of our cruiser. And you know, because it's a micro scale, we don't want to get those too big because it'll be disproportional in size. But now I've kind of got the back engines, but I still need to smooth it out in the back because it kind of, if you look at it, it wedges towards the center where it gets more thin. And to do that, I'm going to grab 2 of these cheese wedge slopes, the little cheese wedge slopes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it so that the thick end is going to go against my brick and it's going to slope down to the side of my plate like this. So here's my cheese wedge slope. I've got my thick end that's going to go near my plate and then slope down to where the engines are, and that's the back of my cruiser. And now you just need to get that long, thin front that I was talking about, and to extend it out, I'm going to get this 1x1 round brick, put that round brick on the stud of my 1x1 brick. And now I want to put a little color here. So to do that, I'm going to get a 1x1 round plate piece in this light bluish gray color and just put it on top of my round brick. And then I'm going to get another 1x1 round brick because this had a really long center section to really make it go out. And now all I want to do now is curve the front, make it a little more curved for the front of the ship. And to do that, I'm going to get this double sloped piece. It's kind of like the round, curved, double slope piece. And I want to put it so that the rounded end is on the left and the right. And it kind of smooths and goes around to the front like this. But here is my consular cruiser from the Republic to drop some Jedi off to do some failed Trade Federation negotiations.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.